Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 68 Reg 320i Shadow Edition M Sport Touring. This vehicle is presented in the very eye-catching Melbourne red, and of course also features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and of course being that Shadow Edition gives the car some very nice BMW extras. At the front you can of course see the LED headlamps and of course the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels. Being a Shadow Edition, we do get the M Sport Plus brakes. All the way around we've got the mixed premium run flat tyres. It's a very good looking touring BMW, this one. Thanks to that Melbourne red, really does accentuate how great the 3 Series does look. Down the side you'll see it's a very clean and tidy example. The privacy glass working well, again with that lovely exterior colour. We've got a full black Dakota leather with oyster highlights on this car. Again, both drivers and passengers can enjoy the heated and electric lumbar options. Everything within inside the car matches the exterior for being extremely clean and tidy. We've got that wonderful Shadow Edition interior trims, an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, the wonderful Harman Kardon surround sound of course. Moving through to the rear seats now. Well, of course we're going to find an exceptionally spacious and comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest. If I can get the camera to focus in for you, there we go. We've also of course got our darkened M Sport headlining, everything looking really well in the back of there. And before heading round to the very rear of the car, it is of course worth mentioning that whilst a lot of us are now not doing so many miles as we once were, an ideal situation would be now to perhaps switch to a petrol, and I can't personally think of a better car to do so than a 3 Series petrol, especially one that looks as great as this and of course offers such great practicality. Round at the back we've of course gone for a high gloss rear diffuser. You do get an automatic opening and closing tailgate, and another thing worth mentioning whilst you take a look around that big area is the click and collect service currently under operation here at Your Next Car. If you want to find out a little bit more about that and of course this very nice vehicle, simply follow the links I'll leave for you down below in the description. From there it will take you through to the website, and you can also view about prices and funding options available for this very nice car. Alongside that you can of course view all of our other incredible examples. One last little look at the rear seats now before I jump on inside the car to take you through some more of this vehicle's interior details in a bit more depth. We shall of course begin with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Starting the car up makes a really nice, quiet yet sporty noise from the 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine. Utilising the real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible, and again having that bigger screen is always going to be a bonus. Back at the home screen, of course being a facelift car, we've got this new and improved look on the professional wide. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. It's a very low mileage car, having covered just over 14,000 miles as you can see there. Having that 8-speed is of course always a bonus as well. Really magnificent gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. In terms of your multimedia, there is everything you would expect. So you've got DAB, a USB and AUX inputs, alongside the superb music collection which allows you to store and rip music directly to the vehicle's hard drive. So if you go back through into the vehicle status menu, you can see everything is highlighted in green. Over to engine oil, where you can see the next service is due in 4,000 miles time. You do of course also get dual climate controls, where you'll find the switches for these very nice front heated seats. So there is a look around an exceptionally clean and tidy Shadow Edition 3 Series petrol 2-litre turbo M Sport Touring. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And again, if you would like some more information on the car, all you have to do is simply follow those links down below. Again, take care guys, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.